This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Mary Ross Ellsworth. Open floor plan offers all bedrooms on second floor. Relax on your 3-season back porch overlooking a quiet marsh and Waterview. The sunroom offers a custom built-in with a wet bar and wine cooler, current use game room. Cul-De-Sac homesite. Resort-style living, the riverfront offers 2 waterfront parks with piers and gazebos. 43-acre lake with walking/jogging paths. 2 tennis courts and volleyball courts. Lakefront amphitheater with gazebo and picnic area. 2 children's playgrounds. Leisure, biking trails connecting lakeside amenities through an underground tunnel. Village Square. For more information, review the details below.